Hello everybody and welcome back to Nioh 2 and, well, the complete playthrough of Nioh 2, episode 21. And the last one we did, I believe, the Tsunomata Yokai Hunt, which is a pretty fun level, but in this one we are doing a Hoplite Howl, another sub-mission. Then we'll hit the Fire God's Magatama, and then the Hollow Fortress, which is the next main mission. But this one has 5 Kodama to earn, so I take it this was probably a pretty big mission. And we've also unlocked the Way of the Warrior and the Way of the Ninja Adept, which is the recommended level 59 stuff. So we'll figure that out soon. We're not level 59. Once we get there, we will do those missions. But right now we are only level 49, so we're about 10 levels away. And I just noticed that I hit level 50, or nearly 24 hours of playtime on my game. So that's pretty exciting, but we're not even close to done with the game. Let's get into Hot-Blooded Howl. Alright, I think we're facing off against human folk, which is fine. Honestly, humans are easier, but that looks like boss battle territory. Are we gonna have to face a boss? I hope not. Or maybe that'd be fun, I don't know. Anything behind me? Ooh, this is a dope map. Anyways, what we're rocking with now on the equipment is our Uchikatana, which I want to equip right now because I have something that I just learned what it does, and that is whetstones. Do I have any, is the question. Whetstones, I have 6. Let's use 5. And it gets familiarity up. So now our Uchikatana is at 900 familiarity. It's going to do a lot more damage. So I'm excited about that. We're maxed out. Everything's purple. By the way, just for having the set, I forget, I don't know how to check the set. And like, what it does. It's alright. But we have the whole Lone Wolf set. We need to upgrade it a little bit soon. But, yeah. And let's go ahead and clear this stuff out because I hate looking at it. When you see stuff that has high ratings, just I like the effects on my stuff. I like the way it looks a lot better. Ooh, I got a hand cannon. But I'm so good with the bow. I cannot get rid of my bow. And we have some new weapons up here that we need to forge. And all that good stuff. Alright, and we've got all our skills ready. We do have new titles that I want to do. Every hour earned is super important. And let's do Anima Charge. We have 3 on this side. Key Recovery, Speed, Omeo Magic, and let's do Key instead of Life. And Ninjutsu's next, so see what we can do there. But anyways, complete playthrough, let's go. I am Hide. Can I speak to you again? Alright, you're not even gonna help us. Thanks, buddy. Alright. Let's pray up. I want to check how much we need. And can we ready more jutsu? We can. Nice. Do I have... When you use this broth gives your weapons a poison effect. I don't really want that. Can we ready more of those? We can ready more Shoryuken. We can ready another bomb. And we'll just chill with that for now. We can ready another lightning talisman. And not another purification. We have 5 lightning talismans though. We need 33,000 for an upgrade. So let's go ahead and dive right into this mission. I don't like this lava texture that much. How many arrows do we have? Only 5. Probably should have bought more. But I'm gonna go and headshot this boy. You're dead. Now we can take you out. Oh, this thing's doing damage now. Got a stone. Gotta be looking out for Kodama. If we can get all 5, we get another elixir. I just recently learned that. You get an elixir added. Let's just fight him. Hi. Kill him. Now we can focus on you. Nah, break that guard. I was about to say. Oh. Hi. Yeah, that's what I thought. Looks like we got a yokai purification point there, so. Let's see if I can get it to deflect. Ow. Well, I just died. Okay. Let's figure this out. I need to stop trying for that. Just play like I know how to play. Let's go. Alright, going right first. Let's go. Fight me. You missed. Forgot to change my burst counter. I wanted it back to whatever it was. Come on, buddy. Alright, dead man. Switch to low stance and grab this. Yeah, I see you. Come on, let's fight again. See if you win this time. Oh, we can get in there, actually. Is this the same room? It is the same room. Alright, we'll fight that in a little bit. Oh, there he is. Not dead yet. How about now? 3-piece combo. Alright, we'll go that way next. Any Kodama over here? Got kind of a glare going on my screen right now. Not a fan. On such a dark map, too. There you are. Hi. Let's take you out. You're dead. Give me whatever you have. Little gunpowder bomb. Bye. Guess we just have this out here. Oh, it gave me a spirit stone. I'll take that. And let's fight the big guy in here. We have we're gonna pull out our snake here. Anybody in here other than him? Don't see anybody, so. Missed me again. Oh my gosh, that is deadly. Alright, I gotta figure out what did I use last time to beat Hoppy Boy? Hot-blooded Howl, okay. What did I use last time? I think, actually, I used my blood saber. I have a couple of these, ninjutsu power. Let's do that. What did I use last time? I'm not in too much in the mood of taking you on. Okay, got an ingot from him. Thank you. Yeah, come up here. We'll switch to dual-bladed swords. Okay, let's take out Hammer Man. Give me that. Get up. Holy cow, he almost got me. That probably would have killed too. Alright. Let's take on Big Man now. What do we learn? Dual swords. Let's do this. Let's get into our fight with you. Hi. Come on out. Snake. I feel like that's not doing much damage. Oh yeah, time that one. Get down. Take his health down. Take this. Big old snake boy. Nope, 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 nope. Alright, took him out with my bomb. Waist guard. Another soul core, fill us up. Okay, let's head in here. Oh, is there anything on the back half? Oh, there is. Glad I looked. Lantern plant fruit. Can't open the door. Can't open that one. Divine branch. And we can go ahead and open this one. Nice. Okay, take his gauntlets, or bracers, whatever. How many arrows? 2? How many bullets? 7? Let's fight. Oh, there's an archer up here. Thank you for your arrows. One, 2, dead. Alright, they were easy. Man leaning over and another Kodama, yay. So many friends. I think that is the most adorable creature in this game. Okay, fragrant wood. It's good for crafting, I think. What is this? Looks like poison. Heck no. What kind of BS is that? Is it poison? I'm not taking damage. Is it like a get in, get out? Go. Ah, Dweller. What the frick? I can't... That was risky. Die. What is back here? What is going on? I don't know what this does. It's not taking damage off me, but I'm not sure I can even... Oh, hi. There we go. Get out of here. Whatever that was. It's a snake. Big burst counter. That was a lot of damage. Get smacked. Hi. Don't think I see you. They got rifle ammunition. Hi. Want to join? How long will he be around? Let's pray up. We've got a big fight here. We're really close, actually. No. Snake. Break his guard. Boom. Half health now. Alright, get down. Use that good. Oh shoot, accidentally alerted him. You know what? Oh, you really went for it. Broke guard. You're done, sir. Good night. Oh, hi, Dweller. Hi. Oh, this is where I came from. Why not take you out anyway? Good night. Grab some extra ammo. And we have an upgrade. So we'll have to fight the Inky for a third time, but I'll take the upgrade. Level up. Heart. I'm gonna work in the heart. Get some more life, samurai skill points, you know, all that good. Let's go. Yeah, come in. And guard is broken. Alright, you're easy. I really understand the Inky now, at least. Let's keep moving. What do we have in here? Nothing. Maybe nothing. Nothing. Good night. It's supposed to go... Oh, did we open that? We didn't. It's supposed to go up that way. At least that's what it looked like. Or down that way. Okay, I found it. No Kodama anywhere nearby, I guess. Hey, we get a helper. It is I, Hide. Good job. Okay. You coming? Let's go. Alright, Purification Talisman. Heal up. Roll to get rid of that. I don't even know how to fight you. Snake, that's how you'll fight you. Is there something else over there? Ooh, hello. You're good, Lord Nabunga. Heal up. I got you, buddy. Oh, hi. Get rid of your friend, at least. 1, 2, 3. You good, man? Alright, you're good. Hello, Kodama. Obvious trap is obvious. Don't step on it. Don't be an idiot. Stupid. Stupid idiot. Oh, and this is where the first guy was. So let's drop down. And that's the right way, so this is the wrong way, which is where I want to go. So this is a chest somewhere nearby. Not sure. Kodama? Oh, shoot. What is in there? I see an Inky, I think. Which, out of the big yokais... Oh, it's a Nurikabe. No wonder. Alright, do we have a Revenant around here? Anyone who nearly died? No. Alright, 1 and 2 chance. Let's try out... Oh, hot, nice. That's bad. Alright, let's try Bring It On. Yes, sir. Never fought one of those, actually. Kodama. That's a third. Or a fourth, I can't remember. It's a nice little chest. Good for me. Now to the main objective. Which is up here. Only 7 bullets left. Let's go arrows. Oh, shoot. Don't step on the... Thank you for taking that hit. Okay, don't step on the trap. He's gonna step on the trap, I just know it. I love my snake. Never replacing it. Okay, got a big one here. Hi. I saw you. Yeet. I got him. Ooh, we got more efficiency with the ninjutsu. That's good. I want to keep working that up. What is purple? I think that's... Purple means, like, objective, so... Ow. Alright, let me heal. Oh, thank you, sir. Got 4 elixir left. Okay, got one of those big boys down there. Okay, sneaky. Alright, give me that. Give me a shrapnel bomb, too. No Nurikabe around, right? Yeah, no. Into the next little cave now. That's a big dweller. Let's, can we lock onto him? Let's draw him out. Come on. Come on. Fine. Good night. Not dealing with you right now. Okay. Alright, good work. I'm just working that ninjutsu. I see you. Don't think I don't. Eat. Oh, the snake can't get in there. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Jeez. I like my partner. He does work. Alright. Not missing anything like a Kodama in here, right? But I bet there's one down there. Oh, that's boss. Let's take out the guy up here first. thought there was a guy. Hello. Get down. Stupid things. Give me this chest. Sacred Bushi robes. Did I miss a Kodama? I think I did, though. That's sad. I don't want to go look for him, though. He's not behind anything, right? No, he's not. How many? 4? 4 heals. Max anima. I'd say we look fine. Let's head downstairs. End this mission off. Got some arrows, so we could backstab you. Or we could shoot you in the head. Jeez. Get ganked. Alright, what's up here? These are the boss doors. Correct? Yeah. I'm correct in that. So let's go find... Ooh, this is back up top. Thanks, man. This is back door. Right? Yes, it is. So we can open this. Come back inside. Nice. Let's go heal. Backstab does more if I'm with this, so I can't believe he didn't see his friend even die. Will he stay me if I heal up? I just want to get my ninjutsu back. Looks like he will. Dope. Remaining storehouse stock, 14. Nice. Hey. Let's fight. Hey, fight me. That is a dope. He's done though. We get good amrita from them, so it's worth the fight. Sprint on through. Can't believe we didn't find a Kodama up here. I thought we definitely would. Oh, Nurikabe. Oh, hi. Good night. Get the salt. What's up, boys? Yeet. Oh, that hurt. Give me elixir back. Aww. Hi, Kodama. All this missions, Kodamas, yay! We get another elixir for spawning now through the rest of the region, I think. Alright, let's get into this. Boss fight. These are boss doors and a half. This is a boss arena and a half. Take you out. Yep, nope. Hi. Break that guard. Get him. Yeet. Oh, this is easy. I can just... Snake! Yes, sir! Let's go. Ninjutsu is so important. That was an easy gank thing. Gang boss. That was a fun level. Yes, sir. Alright, cool. I got a new Spirit Division. Is there anything else around the room I can grab? I know we've got all Kodama, but... Alright, let's go forward. Yeet. It's kind of like a story mission. A little side quest for that dude. Let's keep working on the decks. That's what I'm upgrading next. Alright, got me a good bit of stuff. Oh, he's allowed to serve at Lord Nobunaga's side again. Okay. Alright, thanks for giving me your stuff, but we'll get into the Fire God's Magatama next. Let's do learn skills first. Have one for sword. Yeah, let's do that. Maximum key increase, that's nice. Samurai. We literally... Wave warrior adept. Oh, that's cool. What's this? I don't use flux. That's running water. Increases bow damage by 5. Okay. Let's do that and the ninja. I want to ready... Yeah, I want to get that, where I can throw a Shoryuken twice, so that's nice. Let's go upgrade at the shrine. Dexterity would give me +8 ninjutsu power, better ranged weapon attack, better against poison, and ninjutsu capacity up to 16. So let's do that. Level 16 there. We're level 51 overall. And let's change our Guardian Spirit. We've rocked with the Phantom for a while, and this is a brute. I like Feral so much better. And that's kind of what sucks, because I really like Feral. Huh. I like the feral burst counter at least. And we can we attune something? We can exchange soul core. Yeah, here we are. I like that one so much. I don't ever want to get rid of it. We can do that. Ipon Daturu Datara. And that does... I don't know. This is like the stun. We could do the Enki. But I kind of want to do the, like... Where is it? Did I sell it? Mizuki. Yeah, okay. It costs 8. Okay, we'll do the Ipon Datara for now. And then, like... This is such a good one. Oh, wait, no. Not that one. It's Yatsu no Kami. It's such a good one. It's such a good one. Never getting rid of that. Alright. So we're level 51 now. Making our way in this world. Alright. And we can ready Jutsu. Omeo didn't get upgraded, but this did. And we have max. But we have 2 spots left. Decrease damage from when you fall from a height. When you use it, temporarily increase your power of your arrows when you aim at the enemy. Okay. That's cool, I guess, but I kind of want to use the caltrops, so let's do 2 of those. Oh, I want to set that as a shortcut too. Okay, I honestly have it. Well, let's put it there. Perfect. Alright, I think that'll do it for today's episode. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. That was a fun mission. I died a couple times, just reckless, basically. But anyways, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more. Episode 22 is coming out soon. I'm out.